As far as Doge support floor, it especially certainly is currently $0.056, which in a real sense is very critical. Dogecoin cost examination really is negative today in an entirely large manner. Dogecoin in every way that really matters has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, or so they truly thought, in spite of prevalent thinking. Doge in a real sense rose 0.87% in 7 days in an actually quite huge manner. 12 February 2024, in this video we'll actually especially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified some things, facts, what sort of is transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. Basically is Doge an entirely of wise venture, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they really thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Doge specialized investigation, by and large, let us especially explicitly discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical, which is very huge. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally by and large whole digital currency market to $1,786,952,369,650, which certainly essentially is genuinely huge, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The very certainly complete exchanging volume by and large in every way that really matters remains at $45,892,662,127, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum very has a strength of 16.33% in a decently especially significant manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value decline of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time period, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, which essentially is very critical. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, generally is somewhere near 5 and as of now exchanging at $104.74, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they basically thought. Furthermore, XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem in a really significant way, or so they thought. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market explicitly certainly is going in a really descending bearing for most certainly present moment. Right now, an exceptionally broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time span. Showing how Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally significant manner in a significant way. Support essentially is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become genuinely something else in every practical sense, dynamic and entirely prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which merchants sort of become move entirely dynamic and basically especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Dogecoin cost examination especially is negative today in a pretty truly significant manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, truly is at $0.080, down 3.81% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense sort of has a value change of 0.87% over the course of the week, showing how Dogecoin actually generally has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 286,402,777.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $11,392,329,952 United States dollars, exhibiting that 12 February 2024. In this video we'll generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense. Got clarification on some things, facts. What explicitly is somewhat genuinely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin really is Doge by and large wise interest in an especially exceptionally huge manner. There actually generally are practically 143,039,496,384 basically are available for use out of 143,039,496,384, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost examination for 12 February 2024, inside an actually genuinely day-to-day time span, basically in every practical sense, made sense of beneath. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time span, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in an especially huge manner. We utilize fundamentally lovely relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, showing how similarly obstruction generally explicitly is a level at which vendors explicitly essentially become move pretty sort of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Dogecoin cost examination truly generally is negative today, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge. While Doge's Williams %R marker sort of especially is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange genuinely signal generally truly is fundamentally truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that moreover, XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking, in spite of mainstream thinking. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, so while Doge's Williams %R pointer generally explicitly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal quite is by and large conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that furthermore, XRP came to 52 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.08% in esteem, or so they generally thought in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to in a real sense hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day outline. So support by and large is a level at which purchasers truly become most certainly more certainly fundamentally dynamic and basically truly prevent the coin's cost